Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's webinar. So the topic for today's webinar is AI-assisted ticketing, and we would be showing you practical use cases that actually works for the Helpdesk ticketing system. So my name is Raghav. I'm product expert here in Favio. So a little brief about Favio. We started our journey 10 years back, and we have two products. We have Favio Helpdesk and Favio Service Desk. Recently, we have introduced AI agents and AI bots in our product, which our customers are already using. We are already using. So we have some insights about how integrating these AI agents and bots in your application can benefit your agents and overall help you in assisting and resolving the tickets as well. So we'll start with the webinar. So just discussing a bit about the agenda, why AI in ticketing and countering its reality versus the hype. Then moving on to where are the situations where AI can actually help you out. We would share with you 8 practical use cases. Also guide you through an implementation roadmap. So by chance you are not using the AI in your helpdesk system, or if you are using Favio, you're not using the AI in your Favio, you can implement, can help you to onboard with the AI functionality. In the end, we would have a question and answer session where any of the questions which you would be raising, we would be answering them as well. So starting with the problem today, which is being faced by many of the customer service companies, are that the ticket volume is very high because we are serving more and more clients every day, and whenever somebody faces an issue, they raise a ticket through the help desk software, and sometimes the ticket flow is high, and that automatically slows down the response time of the agents, and many a times agents can get burnout due to repetitive queries and not being able to divert their attention to the complex issues or the complex tickets. Further, this can also lead to inconsistent responses. So it basically means that in today's age, the support teams are not failing, systems are overloaded. So one of the reason the system is overloaded because we have multi-channel support nowadays. In earlier times, in the olden times, the support meant the client would generally send you an email or call you up. But nowadays, due to the integration of multi-channel platform, for example, in Favio, we support WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, Line, telephony, SMS, and email. So sometimes the channels get overloaded with queries and support teams get slow in responding to each of them on time. In that scenario, AI can help you out. We will go through the presentation how exactly, in which cases the AI can integrate and provide resolution in your system, and thus help agents as well as your company as a whole to deliver excellent customer service. So let us check what is the hype around AI and what is the reality that we have seen as per our experience. The hype is that AI would fully automate your help desk system. It would be 100% accurate and there would be no more human agents required. Well, that is not the case. The reality is that AI is just an assistant. It's not a replacement of the human workforce. It is best in the repetitive workflows and it needs a structured process, meaning you need to fine tune it, you need to set up the whole AI integrated with data sources, etc. Then it would be able to help you out, but it would not be fully automated as of now. So where does AI fits in the ticket lifecycle? Once a ticket is created, it can categorize it, it can assign it to an agent, it can generate a response, it can resolve, and it can do the analytics as well. So AI adds value at multiple touch points, not just chatbots. Chatbots are an integral part, but they can help you with all these stages of the ticket lifecycle as well. So let's go over the use cases that we have prepared for you. So use case one is smart ticket categorization. So based upon the description of the ticket or the subject of the ticket, it can automatically detect the issue type, apply la- tags and labels, and can set the priority of the ticket as well. So it would reduce the manual sorting time. Earlier, there used to be one person in the team whose job was solely uh, picking up the tickets, and reading and going through what it is meant for, and then assign it to a specific agent or a department. So that time and that person is no longer required. AI can categorize and do the job for you as well. Use case number two is auto ticket assignment. So the ticket can be assigned based on the skill, workload, or the department, meaning specific agents which cater to a specific skill. The AI can link assign the tickets to them depending upon the workload. If an agent A has more tickets, working on the more tickets, and agent B is working on fewer tickets, the AI can automatically assign the ticket to agent B, thus reducing the workload of or dividing the workload between the two agents. The third portion is the department, where based upon certain preconditions, the AI can decide which department a particular ticket should go to. So the result of this is faster resolution and balanced workload, which will help the agents work more effectively. Use case three is AI suggested replies. So what AI shines according to us is to draft the responses instantly based upon past tickets and knowledge base articles. So the agent role drops down to not manually typing the responses. They just need to review, make minor corrections, edit it out, and they can directly send the response. So the benefit comes out to be faster replies and consistent tone. Since in Favio, there is an option where you can choose the tone of the suggested replies, whether you want it to be strict, you want it to be professional, you want it to be formal, friendly. You can choose the tone, and then you can draft the response accordingly. This will help in maintaining a consistent tone across all the agents, all the tickets in your Favio. Does it make the brand of your company? It can have a consistent tone, whether it is replying to the tickets via email or via any other social media channel. Moving on, next we have use case 4, where is the knowledge based recommendations. So a very essential part which we have noticed in our AI implementation journey is that companies need to create detailed knowledge base uh, articles and documentations. So whenever you install Favio on your end, you automatically get a knowledge base by default, and you can use that to create articles and monitor, add PDFs, and create all the documentations which are linked to your company and which give details about uh, your product, your company, your customers you are serving, their frequent queries, their common issues, the frequently asked questions, and so on. Inputting these data sources into the AI's memory can help the AI to suggest relevant articles and automatically reply them on the tickets whenever any such queries are raised. So here the example we have taken is how to reset my email. So if we already have an article in the knowledge base which lists down all the steps needed to reset the email, the AI can go ahead, if we definitely if we allow it to, AI can go ahead and reply with the same article on that particular ticket. So next use case is AI chatbot for L1 support. So in Favio, we offer AI agents and AI chatbots. These are two different ways in which you can integrate AI into your help desk system. So AI chatbots can help a lot by handling the repetitive queries, like for example, password reset requests, frequently asked questions, and request statuses. You can create an in minute detail the implementation of how the chatbot would respond to a particular chat from the customer, what data points it will gather, what resources it will look into for, and then it can reply to the client, or if required, it can escalate to humans as per the need arises. Moving on, next we have the ticket summarization. So this is a very good feature of the AI, which we are also using on our end a lot. So it helps. There are certain times when the client issue is a bit complex, and there are many conversation in the ticket, so to speak. So it is difficult sometimes if agent is juggling between multiple tickets. uh, they can instantly click on the summary button and generate a summary of what has been the conversation going on and what is the next step that can be taken on it. Similarly, it can help the department managers or senior management who are looking into that particular ticket to quickly get the summary of the ticket and quickly understand the context, what is going on, what is the status of the ticket, how close is it to resolution, and so on. So benefited definitely faster handling of escalations, and it is a pretty useful tool for the managers as well. Use case 7 is a sentiment analysis. This is also a feature which we use in at our end as well, and it is a pretty useful feature when tuned in a specific deliberate way. So sometimes what happens that a client gets frustrated or angry due to some issue they are facing, or due to something, due to how the agent is handling the ticket and so on. So the sentiment analysis feature, what it does, it with each reply which is coming from the client, it generates a label on the ticket and tracks the sentiment. The generally the three broad categories it chooses is neutral, positive, or negative. So it is beneficial for both the agent as well as the senior manager to have a glance at the inbox and quickly see what is the status of the sentiment of the client who is raising the ticket. And it can also go one step ahead, that if it detects that a certain uh, ticket is critical, the client is getting angry, it can automatically flag it as urgent. Use case 8 is SLA risk prediction. So it can predict which tickets may breach SLA and apply a similar label on it. It can also alert the agents in advance and help them to not lose the track of their tickets in which the SLA breach risk is high. So now these were all the use cases that we discussed uh, in the presentation. And now we would look into how the AI can be a practical tool for us. So what actually works from our experience, and what needs fine tuning, or what's it's not reliable yet. So we have been building AI agents and AI chatbots for quite some time now, and we've also compared the similar features being offered by other help desks as well, and we have come to a conclusion, a straightaway conclusion, that it is very good for categorization of ticket. It is very good for uh, suggesting replies, drafting replies, checking the tones. It is very good chatbot for FAQs, etc. It can generate summaries very well. It can auto apply the labels very well. The sentiment detection part of it needs tuning from the agent and the manager's end. So what we have given in Favio is the ability to uh, determine the sensitivity of the sentiment. So based upon the input parameters that you have set in the sentiment detection, you would need to run the cycles for a few times before you get to know uh, about the perfect tuning on which you can let it run on autopilot. Last but not the least, the full automation is not reliable yet. We would not recommend our clients to fully depend upon AI and make the human count to zero. So AI is an assistant which needs supervision and which needs human input as well. So common mistakes companies make. So before you jump in into the AI bandwagon and implement it on your helpdesk system, there are a few points which you need to look upon. So the first thing is expecting full automation. So as of now, at this technology has reached to a certain state that full automation is currently not possible. It's not technically you cannot do it, you can do it, but it's not as reliable as human. And it is advice that you implement the AI, but make humans as supervising it and fine tuning it rather than just making the support headcount to zero. Second is no clean knowledge base. One thing which I would like to mention here is that AI agents and AI chatbots get a huge help if you have a very good knowledge base created. So if you have, what we have given the feature in AI agents and AI bots is that you can determine their data sources. You can upload the links. So just to give you an example, you can paste website links there. You can upload documents. You can uh, link URLs. You can link YouTube videos, etc., where the AI agents will go through them and understand about the context that they need to reply about. So if you have a clean knowledge base, if you have a knowledge base full of good recommended articles, FAQs, it would help the AI to respond to the query in a much better way. So the third mistake is poor ticket structure. This I would like to explain in a way that Favio gives you a plethora of features where you can implement a a ticket form, and you can segregate the uh, ticket form based upon departments, based upon the skill, based upon the ticket type. You can apply labels and tags on it. Once the proper structure of a form is there, the ticket structure is correct, the AI would take that forward and make tasks like sentiment analysis, auto assignment features work pretty well for you. So the last point links to the first point as well, is that no human oversight. It is not possible at this point of time, and it is not recommended by us as well. So how Favio Helpdesk enables all of this that we have talked about in this webinar today is that Favio Helpdesk now out of the box gives you the benefit of using AI agents and AI chatbots, which can help in workflow automation. It can tag and label the tickets. It can assign the tickets to agents, departments. It can integrate knowledge base with other data sources as well. We have APIs published for all the AIs that we use, and you can create custom rules and triggers as well. So here is the implementation roadmap if you are just starting out on your journey to implement the AI in your Favio. So step one is clean your ticket data. Just make sure that uh, proper tags and labels are assigned to it. The ticket descriptions, so the ticket subjects are correct and they are not just random words, etc. Build a strong knowledge base. Favio gives the knowledge base feature out of the box, and we would recommend all the companies who are all our clients who try to implement this AI is to build a strong knowledge base which can consist of PDF, documents, FAQs, common queries, common complaints, etc. And then start with the one use case. So we have given you around 8 use cases in this webinar. You can start with any one use case, drill down on it, train your team around it, and then gradually scale the AI usage to other use cases as well. ROI of AI in ticketing is that you get a faster response time, you get reduced workload for agents, which means less burnout for the agents as well, better customer satisfaction, and lower support cost. So final takeaway of this webinar is that AI is a multiplier. It is not a replacement, it's a multiplier. It's an assistant. You can start small and you can scale it smartly with the help of Favio offering AI agents and AI chatbots out of the box now. You can start now, be ready, and choose Favio. So this brings us to the end of the presentation. If you would have any questions and answers, please let us know and we would be happy to answer them. Since we have no questions from our audience, we would end this webinar, and we would keep on bringing you more interesting webinars with a lot of features Favio is developing, and we would be very pleased to share it with you all. So keep looking out for these webinar emails, join them, and let's share with you everything that we can. Thank you.